Is the 2026 Tesla Cybertruck finally worth it? Or still just hype? What if I told you this might be the most advanced pickup truck ever built, but also the most misunderstood one? Because here's the truth. The Cybertruck was never designed to compete with traditional trucks. It was built to completely redefine what a truck can be. And now, in 2026, Tesla has quietly fixed many of the biggest complaints while pushing its futuristic vision even further. Let's start with performance. The Cybertruck doesn't just move, it launches. With its tri-motor setup, you get instant torque, insane acceleration, and a 0 to 60 time that rivals supercars. No gears, no delay, just pure electric power. Whether you're on highways or rough terrain, it feels fast, controlled, and seriously addictive. But it's not just about speed. Tesla has improved its adaptive air suspension, making the truck smarter off-road. It adjusts ride height and stiffness in real time, so whether you're climbing rocks or cruising smoothly, it adapts instantly. Now here's a major upgrade: efficiency. Battery performance and thermal management are better, which means improved range, more stability in extreme weather, and more reliable charging. So yes, range anxiety is much less of an issue now. And then there's the design. Love it or hate it, it's still futuristic. But in 2026, it's more refined, better build quality, improved finishing, and a stronger, more durable exoskeleton that resists dents and scratches far better than traditional trucks. Inside, things feel more practical. The minimal design is still there, but now it's more user-friendly. The interface is smoother, faster, and optimized for real-world use, especially for navigation and energy tracking.
Improved torque distribution and smarter software make driving more stable, and Tesla has finally improved range estimation while driving. And then comes software, one of its biggest strengths. With advanced over-the-air updates, the Cybertruck keeps improving even after you buy it. And full self-driving, it's more refined now, especially on highways, with better lane control and smarter decision-making. But here's the real question. Is it actually practical? And surprisingly, yes. It's more usable than before. Better storage, functional truck bed, improved durability, and smarter everyday features like parking assist and camera systems. But it's still not for everyone. If you want a traditional truck feel, this isn't it. Because the Cybertruck isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of the future. So, is it finally worth it? If you want innovation, performance, and a truck that evolves over time, then yes. But if you're expecting something conventional, you might completely miss the point. Because this isn't just a truck, it's the future on wheels.